Hello everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 1st August 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news. National news. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Alluri Sitarama Raju International Airport at Bhogapuram in Andhra Pradesh today. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval will receive the prestigious Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2026 in Pune today, in recognition of his outstanding contribution to India's national security. International news. Switzerland celebrates its National Day today, commemorating the founding of the Swiss Confederation in 1291. World Wide Web Day is observed today to celebrate the World Wide Web, invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, which transformed the way people access and share information online. Karnataka State News. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the Swami Vivekananda Cultural Youth Center at Sri Ramakrishna Ashrama in Mysuru this afternoon. Sports news. India's Lovepreet Singh won the silver medal in the men's 110 kg weightlifting event at the Commonwealth Games 2026 in Glasgow. Thought of the day. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Lokmanya Tilak. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.